Solana. How many of us have heard about Solana blockchain? Huh? How many of us have heard about Solana blockchain? Now, Solana blockchain, how many of us have heard about it? Good. Solana blockchain is codenamed Ethereum. Is codenamed what? They say Ethereum Bitcoin killer. They said what? Ethereum is what? Bitcoin killer. Because of the new features it came out with. Because of the new features it came out with. Now, Solana came, saw the problem, not the same way Ethereum saw the problems of Bitcoin and came up with something novel and unique. Solana also came to do what? To kill Ethereum. And the truth is that ever since Solana came in 2019, is one of the latest blockchain. Solana is up in 2019. It has had more transaction, more revolution, more scalability. Their whole entire idea is so unique that recently a particular DAO that makes use of Ethereum told the founder of Solana that they would have preferred their DAO to be built on top of Solana. And do you know the consequence? The consequence was that the owner of Ethereum blockchain had to sell his own share on that DAO and moved out of anger. How can you say that this person's soup is sweeter than my own soup? So, but that is how it is. It is no longer hidden. Solana is one of the best, both in transaction speed, concurrency, that it can process millions of transactions parallel. Now, Solana can be applied in finance, which we call decentralized finance, known as DeFi. As you can see, we call it what? What we call it? DeFi. DeFi is an acronym for decentralized finance. We have the Solana Pay, is what they use for e-commerce payment. We have the GameFi. Those of us interested in game development, you can develop your game on a blockchain, and we call it what? GameFi. Then we have the mobile aspect of Solana. So what Solana's performance? You can see low transaction fees. You can see fast settlement of 1 to 2 seconds confirmation time and high throughput. So like I said, all of this can be seen. Everything you are doing on the blockchain can be seen by everyone. There is nothing to hide. No hidden charge, no hidden fee. You will see the details. So where money comes from account A to account B, you will see it. So it's one of the advantages of what? The blockchain. Not only that, the blockchain can make two people who doesn't know themselves to actually engage in a transaction, and no one is afraid of the other person going to defraud him or her. Is that clear? Now, the next thing is, how do I become a blockchain developer? Or how do I start coding smart contracts? Those need a little bit of time for you to be trained on the nitty-gritties, because this is a whole entire world which is codenamed Web3. It is codenamed what? Good. It is different from what we normally know, which we call Web2. So there are new integrations which you must familiarize yourself with before you become a developer. So if you are coming in to be a developer, the first thing I will tell you is to do what? We will go through, train, we use a Web3 app and see how it flows. When you now see how a Web3 app flows, you can think about developing one because you cannot start to design what you don't know. Is that clear? But there are new niche here. What do I mean? The blockchain ecosystem supports students. Hello? The blockchain ecosystem is one of the ecosystems that supports students. So if anyone here is willing to be in the blockchain ecosystem, please, maybe after today, you can get to me. You can then be linked and you will see various students all over the world where they are being helped by this blockchain company. They train you, make you, and even give you grants from what you can develop. Show them that you master the skill. There are opportunities there. I am not here to talk about Bitcoin buying and selling. No. Because some of us think that blockchain is about Bitcoin trading. No. I'm here to discuss about blockchain development. And that is where the money actually is. Because once you can develop smart contracts, you will be sure that you solve the amount that they get. Anything above $120,000 is what you can begin get. So, what are the languages? There are new languages. How many of us have heard of Rust programming language? How many of us have heard of Rust? How many of us have heard of Cadence? Cadence programming language, they are new. How many of us have heard of Solidity programming language? Wow. How many of us have heard of Cairo? All right. This is just an introduction to draw your awareness to a new niche that is actually making way. So, students, if you are interested, probably we will maybe form a blockchain club. Presently, it's in almost every campus. Almost every campus has it currently. Yeah, last week I was discussing with them in Futo. So we can form a blockchain club and see how we can get on from there so that you can be introduced to those areas. And as students, you begin to get dividends from Solana, from Ethereum, from XRPL, from other blockchains. The blockchains are many, and because there are many, they are in competition. They are what? In competition to draw your attention. So they are ready to do your business. Is that clear? So any question? No question. All right. So thank you. On behalf of the student, now we've heard of every time to explain to us what blockchain is all about. So, what are the programming languages that one can use for blockchain development? In other words, can we have solution blockchain based solution? All right. I had to bundle up a lot of things because of the limitation of time so that other speakers can talk. Yes, programming languages are some of these ones I've mentioned. Blockchain development is divided like every other software development into three. We have the front end, we have the back end, and we have the smart contract. Is that clear? Now, the smart contract is actually where we code or talk to the blockchain architecture itself. And languages that we need to talk to the blockchain is blockchain specific. What did I say? What that simply means that each blockchain has its own language. Now, Ethereum as a blockchain has Ethereum compatible blockchain. We call them EVM blockchains, Ethereum Visual Machine blockchains. Those blockchains are programmed using a smart contract language called Solidity. So once you know Solidity, you can talk to any Ethereum-based blockchain. Then Solana here uses a language called Rust, RUST. Not only Solana, we have Polkadot uses Rust, and many more blockchain will use Rust. You decide what you want. Another blockchain like Starknet uses Cairo. Cairo is a programming language. Yes, Cairo, the Cairo of Egypt. So I think the developer is so you have to it's Cairo. So that is it. So it's depending on what blockchain you want to program. We have the full blockchain. This is a programming language called Kajian. Kajian is a mixture of Rust and C. So they decide what you use to program their solution. Now, but for the back end is done with our normal Node.js. Node.js is the back end version of JavaScript. Node.js. And the front end is your normal what? HTML, CSS, and all right. I hope I answered that question. So basically, if you know front end, HTML, CSS, you are good to go. You can start somewhere. You can maybe start with the front end side of the blockchain while you learn the other one. Thank you. It's very good for us to understand the concept of blockchain, understand what the concept of blockchain. Then, of course, there are specific programming languages that are used in the blockchain environment. We have mentioned Solidity, we have mentioned Rust, we have mentioned Carry. So what I'm saying is that the sky is the limit in programming.